Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to backtest a trading strategy on TradingView. So firstly, of course, go ahead and open up the super charts. You go to products and then super charts. And in here you go to indicators, for example, and choose your strategy. So let's, for example, choose check-in money flow. All right, now it's chosen. And now guys, what you want to do is navigate with your mouse to replay. So this is going to be the feature that will let us to actually backtest a trading strategy. And now guys, you need to select a certain position on the bar. So for example, you want to go from Wednesday, July 24th, right? And back to say Tuesday, April 23rd. All right. And now guys, you also choose the speed. So you can choose anywhere from 0.1 to 10x. I will choose 3x, for example. And now if you want to select a certain bar, for example, select a date, first available date or random bar, you can do that. Otherwise, just press on play. And now as you can see, it will be tracking back and backtesting your trading strategy in real time. That's how you do it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.